Stop during intermediate. A main first hit. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. Please wait for the tone. Up next, rookie junior class. Up next, rookie junior class. Makiki-ready na po.
Race leader is followed by Raymond. Third, Romy, Wally, and Jay. Galing itong si Raymond. Hinahabol ka ni Kuya Romy. Sa likod mo, huwag magkakamali. Si Carl nakalayo. Si Doc Wally. Nasaan si Doc Wally? Hindi ko makita. Ayun. So Carl, Raymond, and Romy, we're all on the same lap. Oh! Ano nangyayari?
Tapos namatay?
Dito mo. Kabila. Yan. Hoy, kotse. Iba.
3 minutes left. Race leader is now Romy. Second, Raymart. 3, Wally. 4, J. 5, Carl. Fastest lap, 10.51 by Carl. Isang lap lang pagitan nyo.
Two minutes 20. Mahaba pang oras. Pwede pang humabol yung nasiraan kanina. Ayan na. Jay and Carl battling for 4th place. Oh, balita. Kuya Jay, dito mo hinto. Ayan, okay na. So, sumarang ulit. Kuya Joshua, sumarang ulit yung jump mo. Okay, Carl is now on 3rd place. Maraming nahirapan sa layout na to. Technical. Sisihin niyo si Lendel. Si Lendel ang may design yan. Oh! Marshall! Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Jay, for waiting. Nasa na si Raymart. 3rd place si Raymart. 3rd place. So, Carl, isang lap ang lamang ni Kuya Romy sa'yo. Ayan sa harap. 1 minute to go. 1 minute. So, almost 6 laps pa. 6 laps. Understand itong coaching, orange and red. So, may nasira yata Raymart. May nasira. Kaya, takbo mo ng konti. Yan.
sige, sige.
Okay. Finish your laps and wait. Finish your laps. 4 times, 2 times, 1 time.
All drivers finished. All drivers finished. Finishing order for stock touring intermediate, aiming first hit. First, Carl. 2, Romy. 3, Wally. 4, J. 5, Raymond. Nabawi